Hi everyone, welcome back to my drawing channel. My name is Connie and today's video is a sketch drawing tutorial on how you can draw 6 easy Christmas trees using shapes and lines. Draw your shapes and lines slightly so that you can easily erase them when you are done with your drawing. Let's begin by drawing a line going straight down and then the triangle shape. This is an easy way to make your Christmas tree look straight and symmetrical. Next, we will draw curves for the shape of the Christmas tree. This Christmas tree has 3 layers. You can draw as many layers as you like. For the second Christmas tree, it looks very similar to the first one. The only difference is we will be adding curves in the center of this Christmas tree. Let's draw straight lines across the triangle to show where you want to draw your layers. I want my layers to be equally spaced, so let's draw lines with equal spacing in between. Depending on how big your Christmas tree is, you can draw as many curves in the middle to connect the lines. For this third Christmas tree, we will draw loops in the middle of the Christmas tree. Let's draw curves in the middle to show where we will be drawing our layers. You can draw as many loops as you like to fill in the space. Let's finish drawing these Christmas trees by drawing a star at the top. I am going to show you 2 different ways to draw a star. For this Christmas tree, the curves in the middle look more like different size U shapes. They can be small, they can be big. Instead of drawing U shapes, you can also draw zigzags. They can be skinny zigzags or very wide zigzags. For this tree, the left and right sides of the Christmas tree do not need to look symmetrical. We are going to draw different size zigzags on both sides of the tree. You can also draw zigzags in the middle of the tree. For this last Christmas tree, the sides look rounded. You can draw a backward J shape for the left side and a J shape for the right side. I hope this video has inspired you to get creative. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Have a beautiful day.